Welcome back. Have you ever had packing peanuts? I mean, have you ever ate them? These little suckers are packed in protein and they're edible. Did you know that? Danielle's laughing because I'm just eating them as a snack over here while I'm waiting for her to film. I'm just like, these things are good. She's all, you're crazy. I think they're pretty good. So when indulging in your packing peanuts, you should probably add a little salt or pepper. I mean, it's pretty good. Just kind of season them up. Kind of like popcorn. You can just get them right out of the box. And if you look at them, they're more like exactly what you buy that's a Cheeto. But they didn't put the cheese in it. It's a cheeseless Cheeto. See? Just melts in your mouth. I think it's rice. Rice pop candy? I don't know.
It's plastic.
It's not plastic.
It's plastic.
It's pretty good. So for all you guys that are sending packages out here, I've been eating the packaging. You can eat them anywhere. You can eat them on your motorbike while waiting at a stoplight. You can eat them in your Corvette. Heck, you can even eat them while you're waiting for your heat up. They're pretty good anywhere. You can eat them while gardening. You can eat them anywhere. I'm telling you. You can eat them while smelling the roses. You can even eat them while you're picking the posies. And they smell good. You can eat them while you're hunting rabbit. Heck, these little things are good to go anywhere. A little delightful snack. So get yourself a box of them. Start munching today. Come in every package. You can eat them while you're waiting for your tires to get changed. I mean, because popcorn's overrated, right? These are way better. These are so darn good. You just gotta keep packing them in. I wonder if that's why they call them packing. Because they're packed in so good. You can eat them while you're petting your cat. Ow! You can eat them while you're doing arts and crafts. Nom, nom, nom. What? I'm just eating them.
I said no more.
This is mine.
That's why the toilet keeps getting plugged up.
What? Not these.
You and your packing peanuts.
Do you think they try to float? What? You have one.
No.
Come on.
I will not eat one.
Eat it.
I will not.
Come on, just a little nibble.
I will not.
You thinking about it?
I will not.
Oh! I thought you were going to bite my finger. You can eat them anywhere.